Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to get the Unity wallpaper on iPhone, as you can see right here. The first thing you will need to do is ensure that your iPhone is up to date. So you are going to open settings, then you are going to select general and tap on software update, as you want to ensure that you are using iOS 16.3. After you have updated your iPhone, you are going to simply pull down the screen, and once on the home screen you are going to press down on it. Then you are going to tap on the plus in the bottom right hand corner, and from here you will see featured, and you will simply scroll across until you see Unity. You are going to tap on that. Then by gliding across to the right, you can see different shades that you can choose from. Once you have found one to your liking, you'll tap on add in the top right hand corner, and then you can select set as wallpaper pair, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.